Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I'm going to show you how you are going to fix CAPCUT is not available in Play Store. So how you are going to download it. Let me show you whether it is available or not. Just search for CAPCUT. You see, first it is not available here. Second, let us search from Play Store. You see it is not available here. There is EasyCut and some other tools. There can be several reasons why it may not be appear in the App Store. It can be geographical restrictions or device capability or some other reasons. So I'll show you how to fix this one. First, go to Play Store. Then search for Super VPN. Then install this Super VPN. Open it. Then continue. Allow. Then connect. Click it as the middle. Then OK. Now when it's connected, at the top there is some image for this key. So now it is connected. Let us go back and let us again go to Play Store, then back, then in this Gmail icon, click on it. Then from here just click this the triangle as a right corner, click, then add another account. Then from here you have to choose create account option, then for my personal use, then in here you can give any if you want to remember it, you can remember, otherwise you can use one of these emails. Next, I agree. Now click here at the top and then use your new email address you created, hello world. So let us click on it, then accept. You see now it has changed. Now let us search for CAPCUT. You see now it is the second one, CAPCUT video editing. Now it is available. Now it is possible to install the video editor.